Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Daniel, and today I am here with my friend.
Hi, I'm Emma. It's so nice to be here with you today. Hello to everyone watching.
Yes, welcome. We are so happy you are here today. Today, we have a really fun topic. I think you will love it.
Yes, today we are going to talk about hobbies. Hobbies. Do you know this word? A hobby is something you do for fun, not for work, just for fun.
Exactly. For example, I love cooking. Cooking is my hobby. What about you? What do you like to do? That is your hobby.
And some hobbies are simple. Some hobbies are surprising. We are going to talk about all of it today.
But first, a small favor. If you are learning English with us, please click like on this video. It really helps us. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe. It's free. Yes, completely free.
And don't go anywhere, because at the end of the video, we have a fun question for you. You will want to answer it, I promise.
Okay, Emma, let's start. Tell me, do you have a hobby?
Yes, I have many hobbies. Maybe too many. But my favorite hobby right now is reading. I love reading books.
Oh, nice. Reading is a great hobby. Very relaxing. And what kind of books do you read?
I love stories. You know, fiction. Stories that are not real, with interesting characters and exciting adventures.
I love that. So, let's learn some phrases. Here's how you talk about your hobby. You can say, my hobby is reading. Let's say that together. My hobby is reading.
Good. Or you can say, I like reading. I like reading. Very simple. Very natural.
And if you love it, you can say, I love reading. I love reading. Do you hear the difference? I like and I love. I like is good. I love is very strong.
Yes, like, I like coffee, but I love chocolate. That is a very important difference.
Very important. Okay, let me tell you about my hobby. My hobby is cooking. I love cooking. Every weekend, I try to make something new.
Oh, wow. What did you cook last weekend?
Last weekend, I made pasta. Homemade pasta. From scratch.
Wow, that sounds delicious. Was it good?
Honestly, the first time, it was a little strange. The pasta was too thick, like small pillows.
Pillow pasta. I love it.
But I tried again, and the second time, it was much better. That's the thing about hobbies. You get better with practice.
Exactly. And that is the same with English. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Let's say that phrase together. Practice makes perfect. Beautiful.
Now, let's learn some common hobby words. Are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, first word, cooking. Cooking. You use heat to make food. I love cooking.
Second word, reading. Reading. You look at words and understand them. Reading is relaxing.
Third word, drawing. Drawing. You make pictures with a pencil or pen. Some people draw every day.
Fourth word, gardening. Gardening. You grow plants and flowers outside. My grandmother loves gardening.
Grandmothers and gardens. A perfect match.
It's true. Fifth word, photography. Photography. You take pictures with a camera or a phone. Photography is very popular now.
And sixth, traveling. Traveling. You go to different places, different cities, different countries. I love traveling. I want to visit every country in the world.
Every country? That is a big plan, Daniel.
Yes, a very big plan, but a beautiful dream.
Okay, everyone, now let's practice. Let's use these words in sentences. Listen and repeat after us. Ready?
Sentence 1. My hobby is cooking. My hobby is cooking. Now you say it. My hobby is, and then your hobby.
Sentence 2. I like drawing in the evening. I like drawing in the evening. You see, we add a time, in the evening. It makes the sentence richer.
Very good. Sentence 3. I don't like gardening. It's too much work. I don't like gardening. It's too much work. Is it okay to say you don't like something? Of course. Be honest.
Absolutely. And sentence 4. I'm learning photography. It's difficult, but fun. I'm learning photography. It's difficult, but fun. I love this sentence because learning something new is difficult, but it is fun too. Both things are true.
Right. And here's a question you can ask a friend. Are you ready? What is your hobby? What is your hobby? Let's say it together. What is your hobby? Slowly.
And your friend can answer, my hobby is, plus their hobby. So simple, so useful.
Now, let's do a little role play. A role play is a practice conversation. Imagine you are at a cafe with a new friend. You want to know them better.
Okay, I'll be the new friend. You start, Daniel.
Sure. So, Emma, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love reading, especially in the morning with a cup of tea.
Oh, that sounds nice. What kind of books do you read?
I like fiction, storybooks. What about you? Do you have a hobby?
Yes, my hobby is cooking. I love trying new recipes.
Wow, that's cool. Do you cook every day?
Not every day, but on weekends, yes. I love it. It relaxes me.
You see how natural that was? We used simple questions and simple answers. Do you have a hobby? Yes, I love. What about you? These are everyday phrases. You can use them tomorrow.
And notice, we didn't use difficult words. No complicated grammar. Just simple, real English. That is all you need to start.
Okay, let's go over the key phrases one more time, slowly.
Phrase 1. My hobby is. My hobby is. Your turn.
Phrase 2. I like. I like. Tell us what you like.
Phrase 3. I love. I love. Strong feeling. Use it when you really love something.
Phrase 4. I don't like. I don't like. And that is perfectly okay too.
Phrase 5. I'm learning. I'm learning. This is great because English learners can say this. I'm learning English. Yes, that is you right now.
I love that. I'm learning English. Say it with pride.
Now, we have some questions for you. Think about your answers. Maybe pause the video and say them out loud.
Question 1. What is your hobby?
Question 2. Do you like your hobby? Why?
Question 3. When do you do your hobby? In the morning? At night?
And question 4. Is there a new hobby you want to try? Maybe something you saw online or something a friend does.
These are great questions to practice. Say your answers out loud. Don't be shy. No one is listening, except you.
Okay, everyone. We are almost at the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, and I hope you feel more confident now to talk about your hobbies in English. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just try. Practice.
Practice makes perfect. We said that earlier. Do you remember?
Yes, good memory.
And speaking of trying, here is our question for the comments. We really want to know.
What is your favorite hobby? Tell us in the comments below. Write in English. Don't worry about mistakes. We all make mistakes. That is how we learn.
And if you want more conversations like this, click subscribe. We make videos every week to help you practice English.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are amazing. Keep practicing, keep going, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.